Hey, are you looking to get high quality solo ads to your network marketing or affiliate marketing offer? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over a review of Udemy solo ads and show you exactly how to search for high quality people who actually have good traffic and how you could use this platform to be able to find people who you can use to actually build and grow your business online. And also, I'm going to show you a resource that you can use that has the best traffic that you could possibly get in the solo ad space. And you'll get very high quality results with that. So stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to show you that resource. If you don't know it, you will shortly. So let's get into the video. So this is Udemy solo ads. So when you come to this page, you can create a free account, and it doesn't cost anything to have this account. Then you want to go to buy solo ads. If you go to solo deals, it's going to be new vendors. So keep in mind that if you go to the solo deals section, these people really don't have reviews yet, and they're only in this section so they could build up their reviews and be able to get more clients. So they have deals on their traffic because they don't have their reviews and they're trying to build up their reviews. So the goal of that section is to actually get more sales. So keep in mind, anybody who's under that section, you're going to find people who want to get better results and more customers in there, right? So they might be doing a promotion, they might be doing something to increase their amount of customers. Then you come to this section, buy solo ads, and basically the only thing you want to have on here that's most important is that they have 50% sales, right? So I always change this to 50% if it's not on 50%, because you want the most amount of sales possible whenever you're getting traffic. And then it's basically anybody on this first page, and what we're looking at is we're looking at the number of reviews that they have, and the cost of the traffic, which is right here at the bottom, and then the amount of sales that people get. So basically these people on the first page are the best pretty much on this whole site. um, so you could take a look at these people right here. And I know a lot of these people, personally. There are a lot of good people. They have high quality traffic. And the thing about it is when you're getting traffic, you kind of want to know that you have a funnel that's already converting. So when you're on a site like this, you want to first test and everything like that, because if you don't know the results, the one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to throw money down the drain, right? So that means just getting a bunch of traffic and just sending it to a funnel. You don't want to do that. You actually want to know that your funnel is converting, that you're getting results. And if you're not tracking your stats, then it's a mistake. Like when I first got started in marketing about 10 years ago, I wasn't tracking any stats. So I didn't know anything about that. Nobody ever told me that I needed to track my stats when it came to solo ads. So I didn't know opt-in rate, I didn't know conversion rate, I didn't know tier one, and I felt ashamed to really ask how that works, because I thought that I should already know it, right? And I was like, well, how do I track these stats, right? And there's specific, tracking software that you can use inside your funnel to actually, track your stats. And so, people who want to know how to do this stuff the proper way and actually want to get feedback, actually want to get support, and know how to run their traffic to where they're actually in profit, and being able to track their stats, being able to build their list the right way, being able to get the most highly engaged people onto the list, I suggest coming over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Now, why should you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com and try this out? Well, first of all, because I like to make sure people are taken care of. So if you get any kind of traffic from me, keep in mind that you're going to get feedback. I'm going to give you feedback. It's not like you're just buying the traffic package and you're never going to hear from me. So if you're not getting results with Udemy and you want to increase your results, you want to actually get feedback on your funnels, you want to actually know what's going to convert for you best, I would suggest coming over here because I help you to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and I want to make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent because that's very important when you're using paid traffic to make sure that your sales copy and your funnel is totally congruent, so that way people have the right message to market match. And I want to make sure that you're getting high quality traffic. And when you get traffic from me, you're going to know the kind of traffic that you're getting, right? So um, I had to learn the hard way when I first got started because I was told just going onto YouTube to run traffic to a funnel and I would make all these sales. Well, what I didn't know is I didn't know how to actually lead. I didn't know how to follow up with people once they got onto my list. And what I learned was there's some things that you can do whenever people get onto your email list to actually get them engaged, to keep them engaged, and get the people who aren't engaged off your list, right? So you don't want to keep people who aren't engaged on your list. It's going to cost you money, and it's also going to hurt your domain reputation when they're not opening your emails, which means your emails are going to land in the spam box if people aren't opening your emails, or if they're clicking on spam and they're sending your emails to the spam folder. Then it's hurting your deliverability. So you don't want those people on your list. So when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic from those kind of sources, and I help you to manage your funnel and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages actually convert within your funnel. So a lot of my clients get as high as 85% opt-in rate. My highest to date is 90% opt-in rate. It only happened once, but I could say that it happened. Typically the goal is to get at least 40%, if not 50%. 50% is considered good as far as solo ads, but I get far above that. And then whenever people get onto your list, you want to actually filter them out to see who the engaged people are. So if you're not using filtering when they get onto your list, then having all those people on there are not going to be very effective. So you want to have the people on your list, and you also want to have a system on the back end that allows you to actually do the proper follow-up, right? And then you need to know how to track your leads and conversion rate, because that's very important to know those stats. And then you better list the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, and that's what I help you to do. So how this actually works is step one is you select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. Step two is we do a campaign review. So you can book a strategy call with me, and on that strategy call, I'm going to review your funnel. I'm going to tell you how you can improve it, how you can actually get better results, and I'm going to give you feedback on it, so you'll know if the funnel's good, or you'll know what you have to do to tweak it to get very good results. You'll also know how to keep your emails out of the spam box, which is very important because a lot of people are buying traffic, but their emails are going to the spam box, and they might not even know that their emails are going to spam. So it's very important to make sure that your emails are getting to the inbox, right? So that's what I help you to do. And also, I give you a routine of how you can increase your conversions with your solo ads. So there's processes that you can do to actually get the best results possible when it comes to your paid traffic. And step three is we do a campaign launch within 3 days or after you book your strategy call. So if you don't book the strategy call, then your campaign will launch in 3 days. But I highly suggest you book your strategy call so that way you can get feedback and not just be throwing money at the wall and hoping something sticks. People kind of treat solo ads like a casino slot machine. I wouldn't suggest doing that. You're not going to get very good results, right? So here's some of my testimonials and my results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks, 3 sales and 90% opt-in rate, and there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at these for yourself. And you know, if you want to get a traffic package, just take a look down here. Here's 90% tier one. Here's 100% tier one. So pick the one that works best for you. Here's some questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, chances are that your questions are going to be down here. So take a look at this part. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And if you have any questions, you could put your questions down here. They will go to my support box and they will be answered, or you can leave a comment under this video and I will reply to your comment. If you have questions or concerns, leave your comments below. Also, you could get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video to get into the free Facebook group, and that's where you could actually get to my Facebook page. You can write me a message on Facebook as well. I am Facebook verified, Gio Ambrose Gianta. So you can write me a message on Facebook as well. So you can contact me any of those ways. And also, there's a phone number. So if you want to send me a text, the phone number is below as well. So if you want to know exactly how I'm building my business online, click on the link below this video. It's right below this video. If you want to get to this traffic store, there's also going to be a link to the traffic store below this video as well. And you know, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. All right. Thank you for watching and bye for now.